Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Financial Independence channel. So today let's look at some of the breakout stocks for August month. So we are in the first week of the August month and we are getting into the second week. So here I do have some FNO and cash stocks for the coming weeks. So before we get into the video, this is my channel, Financial Independence channel. So here I do post about daily market reports, post market reports, IPO analysis, sector analysis, Nifty, Bank Nifty analysis, levels, etc. And interesting uh, videos on some deep dive analysis on stocks also and sectors also. So you can use this for your learning and investment purpose. So let's get into the video. So the first one for this month is Havels. So Havel is giving a almost like a cup and handle pattern. So I'm expecting another. This is a weekly time frame chart and you can see the stock is exactly in a breakout. Let me get into the day chart. You can see so above 1232 or 1240. I'm expecting the stock to move another 100 to 200 points in the coming weeks. This would be around 3 to 6 weeks of time frame. So this is the first one. The next one is Tata Consumer. So Tata Consumer on weekly time frame is giving a yes, it's giving a breakout on this. So above 780 plus, I am expecting the stock to move another 10 to 15 percentage move on the upside. So please keep this in your radar. The next one is Beta India. So Beta India, if you see, this is the weekly chart. So above 1671, above 1680 for entry, I am expecting the stock to move to the next level of 184050, which is another 100 to 150 points on the upside. So the time frame will be 3 to 6 weeks of time frame. The next one is Tata Power. So Tata Power, if you see, it is in a multi-year breakout. You can see that stock tried to break this on November 2000, 2008 level, I mean like a time period, and then after that it is touching 135. So the moves above this will be very aggressive. As you all know, Nifty Energy is in focus as of now, renewables and energy is on focus as of now. So you can utilize these stocks for your multi-bagger returns. So I am expecting after 135, I am expecting another 50 points move on the upside. At least 30 to 40 points move will be guaranteed. So the next one is Suven Pharma. Suven Pharma, you can see it has given a breakout on the weekly time frame chart, and I am expecting another 10 to 15 percentage move on the upside. And next one is Equitas, Equitas Holdings. Sorry, not Equitas. Piramal Enterprises. So Piramal Enterprises about 2670 or 2700 levels. I'm expecting the next targets will be around 3150 to 3100 levels. So again, the time period is 3 to 6 weeks time frame. So medium term holdings all these. So if you are already holding this in your long term stocks, then it's time to bit add up your uh, I mean like portfolio on this. So these are the stocks for the I mean like the breakout stocks for the coming weeks. So please keep this in radar. Also, please do your own analysis on this and please do the investment and trading carefully. Thanks, guys. Have a great weekend. Bye.